So one of the biggest mistakes people are making when reaching out to their suppliers, and a mistake that I made myself, is not getting an understanding of that supplier's schedule. Now, what I mean by schedule, I mean in reference to holidays, vacations, so on and so forth, or any other dates that they're not gonna be in production, manufacturing isn't gonna be available, or it is going to hinder the logistics or shipping of your products. See, a lot of beginners, when they're getting started, they're so focused on negotiation and logistics and product development that they neglect actual operations, right? And being out of stock for several weeks can cost you your business, can cost you your ranking, and can literally give your spot to your competitor. You can lose your ranking, your competitor can take market share, and you can lose money. And this is all at the negligence of asking a simple question like this. Hey, what is your calendar for the year? Or what times of the year are you not operating? Or are you gonna be on vacation? Or anything like this. Basically ask them, I need to know whenever you're not gonna be around, whenever you're not gonna be available, whatever holidays you guys take off for, or whenever there's not production going on at your facility. You wanna make sure you know this. You wanna make sure you have this on your calendar, and you wanna make sure that you're looking at a few different variables like increased amount of sales during fourth quarter, for instance, as well as a holiday like Chinese New Year, right? Chinese New Year is usually when most suppliers take off the longest, and some suppliers take off anywhere from a week to 2 weeks, depending on how much they celebrate, what they do, what plans they have, how their facility operates, so on and so forth. So there's more variables than just running out of stock or increased amounts of volume due to marketing or due to a specific time of the year. You also need to look at the manufacturer's specific times of the year that they're away from business or they have holidays. So that one question right there can literally save you thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.